I now give the floor to Her Excellency Mulipola Anorosa Ale Molio, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance of Samoa.
Madam Chair, Excellencies, distinguished delegates, Talofa lava. Around the world today, millions of women and girls still ask a simple question: will justice reach me? At a time when conflict, the climate crisis, and widening inequality continue to shape our world, ensuring access to justice for women and girls is not simply a policy priority. It is a measure of our collective humanity. Samoa aligns itself with the statement delivered on behalf of the Pacific Island Forum. For Samoa, justice must not exist only in law. It must be visible in our communities, supported by policy, and strengthened through deliberate national action. In Samoa, justice is strengthened in the villages and families where women live. Samoa is advancing gender equality through practical action and national investment. It requires policy backed by resources, continuous evaluation, and the courage to strengthen what is not yet delivering results. Through Samoa District Development Program, 20% of the 51 million District Development Fund is dedicated to gender equality, disability, and social inclusion initiatives, supporting community-led projects across Samoa's district. Samoa is investing where justice matters most in our communities. Samoa has strengthened legal protection through the Family Safety Act, while access to justice is reinforced through the Village Representatives Program, where trained female and male representatives provided trusted community-level support and link families with government services. Samoa's Polapuipui National Prevention Framework serves as our national system for preventing violence against women and girls. Through nationwide awareness and community engagement, this work has reached more than 100,000 people across Samoa through both village-based outreach and online engagement. When violence occurs, communities respond. Village representatives, families, and national authorities working together to protect women and girls. This is supported by a coordinated national response across health, justice, and police. Samoa, a young nation with over 60% aged 35 and under, is also investing in equality from the earliest years of life. And science reminds us that 80% of brain development occurs before the age of 5. Building on Samoa's National Early Childhood Development Framework, Samoa will introduce the Child Wellbeing Benefit in July 2026, strengthening support for children and families. Samoa has been at the forefront of advancing early childhood development across the Pacific. And in 2025, Samoa hosted the Pacific Early Childhood Development Forum,